Hey everyone, have you received a warning from Hamster Kombat and aren't sure what to do next? If you're one of those who got hit with this warning and are wondering, did I just lose my earnings? Should I stop playing? Don't worry. Today I'll answer all your questions and explain exactly what you should do moving forward. Stick around until the end, because this info could save your account and protect your future rewards. A couple of days ago, I started receiving tons of comments and messages about the warning Hamster Kombat sent to some players. This warning was clear. It targeted players who used illegal methods to get extra keys in the game, whether through bots or external codes. Naturally, the big questions started rolling in. Will this affect my earnings? Is my account at risk? Let's tackle the first thing. If you've received the warning, it doesn't mean your account will be shut down immediately, but it does mean you're on their radar. Most people who got the warning were using shady methods to get keys. Now, if you're one of those people, the most important thing to do is stop using those methods right away. Continuing with this behavior could lead to a permanent ban, and you could lose a big chunk of your earnings. Now you might be thinking, what about my earnings? Are they gone? The answer is no, but your earnings could be reduced. Hamster Kombat mentioned that players who got their keys through cheating will have their rewards cut during the airdrop. For example, if you were expecting $500, part of that could be deducted based on your illegal activity. So instead of $500, you might end up with $300 or $350. That's why it's crucial to play by the rules from now on. For those of you who haven't received any warnings, good news, your account is safe for now. But it's a good idea to stop using bots or external codes if you've ever used them before. The game is cracking down on these behaviors, and continuing to use shady methods could put your account at risk in the future. So what should you do now? If you got the warning, the solution is simple. Keep playing normally and avoid any illegal methods to get keys. Focus on increasing your profit power by completing daily tasks, playing games, and inviting friends. This will help you recover any losses that may come from the warning. Remember, playing fair is the best way to secure your future earnings. In conclusion, my advice is clear. Don't take risks by using any illegal methods in the game. If you're serious about earning your rewards, sticking to the rules is the best way to go. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.